welcome back to my vlog. So this is Kolotsky, ang inyong travel. So we're going to Masasa Beach right now, together with my friends, Bebang, Chai, and Kuyata. Samahan nyo kami ngayon sa aming travel. Abangan nyo ang aking upload. Hey! So we are here in the boat right now. See you there. So excited ng ating modelo. For the past 2 months ngayon lang ulit nakalabas. Nakagala. Hi guys! Welcome back. Happy birthday, Atan! What can you say? Ay. Nakabangga. Ay.
More view to come.
Asan yung ano? Asan yung ayun pala tripod?
Asan yung dalawa umalis na?
So Masasa Beach guys, dito lang yan sa Batangas. As you can see guys, so, sobrang ganda. Right now we are waiting our boat. So we take advantage to look the beauty of Masasa Beach here in Batangas. As you can see, sobrang ganda ng mga view. Pak. So this is Kolotsky again. Muna kayo dyan Bang, what can you say about this place?
It's very nice.
And?
Because it's been 2 months since we don't have
Travel?
vacation yet.
Yes, we are excited right now. Go, go, go. Look the beauty of this beach. Look at that. So amazing, shimmering, tantalizing. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Guys, sasakay na kami ng boat papunta doon sa Mahay Island here in Masasa together with my friends. So, we are celebrating the birthday of Atan. His birthday. My outfit for today's video. So I'm your photographer and videographer for today's video. Yes. So we are here na guys. Look at the beauty of this beach. Hey. We are here in Masasa Beach right now guys. Look at this. Bang! Hi. So ito yung beach guys. So always bring your sunscreen to protect your skin disease. Charot. Yun na nga guys, sobrang init dito guys sa Batangas. Kakaiba yung init niya. Kaya lagi magbabaon ng sunscreen. So ito yung harap ng aming cottage guys. Ang ganda ng view.
Ayan na naman si ate ko. Naglalaro na naman siya ng ganda-gandahan. In-game na naman si
So guys, bibili kami ng toyo sa tindahan dito sa may Masasa. Masasa Beach in Batangas. Ay, tama Batangas naman.
Oo, wait lang.
Sino tatawagan mo? Ganda guys. So yun yung tindahan nila guys. Currently we are cooking. Mainit lang talaga. Ito yung tindahan dito guys. Ang ganda naman dito. Boho style. Ang ganda.
Ayan. Makapagod lang sa biyahe.
So ito yung aming view guys. While we are eating our breakfast. So ito yung ating birthday boy, si Adan. Hey.
Gusto niyo bang marinig ang mga kwento? Gusto niyo bang malaman ngayon ito? Gusto
pala napindot. Putang inang yan. Oo, hayo.
So ayun na nga guys, kaka-aesthetic niya, hindi niya napindot. Tagal-tagal namin nakaupo, okay, balik siya ulit. Imot-imot na naman si ate mo, kunyari. So ngayon guys, magpa-part 2 na naman kami ng for the aesthetic. Kasi ang ganda ng view dyan sa part na yan. Tignan nyo guys. So wala masyadong tao kapag pupunta kayo ng weekdays. Kasi pag weekends, maraming tao dyan sa Masasa Island na yan. So ayan. For the aesthetic ang mga person. Hey guys, shall we? So as you can see guys, sobrang low tide dito sa Masasa Beach in Batangas. Ayan guys, kagigising lang namin kasi sobrang layo nito. Galing pa kami from Manila. So, ito yung mga kasama ko, tamad na silang bumangon na yan. Punta kaming Lagoon guys. So gisingin natin yung mga kasama natin guys. Ito yung aming cottage. Masarap naman talaga matulog kasi yung presko. Ito ang ganda guys oh. Ito yung kasama natin isa. Ayan, ang ganda no. Bang, halika na bang.
Ikaw, nagbibihis ako.
Ay, nagbibihis pala siya. So ayan siya guys. Nagbibihis pala yung ating bebang. So ito yung view naman pag dito nakaupo. Ayan. Diba guys, ang ganda. Sobrang presko dito guys. I'm just vlogging. So ayan si Chay, gising na. Alas 4 na oh. So ayan guys, we will update you later. Bye. So ayun na nga guys, nagpahinga lang kami kasi sobrang pagod, malayo yung biniyahe namin from Manila to Batangas. So, para kami lantang gulay, sa sobrang init pa. So ayun, pupunta kami ng Lagoon dyan guys. Ayun yung mga outfit nila. This is mine outfit right now.
Baliw, hindi ka makakakapit. Makakababa ka, tatalunin mo. Ano tayo?
So change destination tayo guys. So yun na nga guys, dahil low tide, so change destination tayo. So pupunta tayo dun sa may unahan, mas maganda dun. Hi guys, welcome back sa my vlog. So pupunta kami dun guys sa may White Beach. Sa may White Beach guys. We are having take photos. Pictorial kami dun guys. So sobrang napagod kami sa biyahe guys kasi tagal yung biyahe, kaya nagigising rin namin. Pinatila namin yung init. So look at the view. Ayan guys. Diba walang masyadong mga tao. Low tide. Oh, it's low tide. Very low tide. There's a lot of lumot here. I'm just waiting the sunset guys. But I can see the sunset. The time is around, let me check the time right now. Oh, it's 4. It's 4, but there's no sunset over there. So as you can see, there's a lot of people in here just because it's weekdays. So let's meet our Marimar.
The lumot and my Simpson
Yeah, how can you
color.
what would you say on this beach right now?
Actually, it's kinda cloudy right now.
And there's a lot of lumot now.
Yeah. Look. We just have
Do you think it's safe to swim? It's safe to swim. It's do you think it's safe to swim? Yeah, it's lumot. Oh, the boat, it's so huge. Huge. It's cloudy right now. Like makulimlim. Outfit check. Outfit check. Guys, welcome back to my vlog. So, ito na naman si Kolotsky. Nandito na naman tayo guys. May beaches. Diba? Ito na naman si ating naglalaro ng ganda-gandaan. Kinelap niyo pag ganun Mag-transition daw siya guys. Ganda ng tubig oh. Sa Batangas lang ulit ha. Look, the water is giving you know, I can't explain it. But it's amazing. Ang ganda, ang ganda ng lighting dito pag dito sa hanap rin maganda. Diba? Ito ang ganda, diba? Look like this, it's like, o diba? Ingin ng alon guys. I'm just trying to feel, you know. Pero, hey!
They're talking about you.
About me. It's okay. If it's my fault, I'm fixing it. Isn't it that no matter how good I am, there will be bad things they look for? Let it be. My happiness won't be ruined because
Dapat, tandaan lang. Balik ka na dito ulit. Balik ka na ulit, balik. Ikot-ikot ka kunyari. Balik, sige, exit ka na. Yan.
I'm a photographer and I took this photo. That's it, thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. So what can you say about this beach?
Actually, it's so beautiful here.
Yeah, like Lipak.
Aura Bugela.
Yeah. Meet Sasa.
Sa book.
Look is now.
Hi guys! Pabalik na kami ng aming room.
So we're going to cottage right now guys. To make a food.
Oh my God! Nawala kayo.
Ganda ng beach mo.
Yeah. Para kami hindi nasa ano.
Sa bahay. Mag-tiktok tayo. Sira.
Nakahalon ko na naman, nakagano na naman siya oh.
Pwede mo itasin. Pangit to pala.
Ayan na naman si ate ko. Naglalaro na naman siya ng ganda-gandahan. In-game na naman si Bakla. Oo, tingnan nyo. Oh.